All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Today, we got a beautiful 2013 Ford F250. Finished off in a Lariat trim, 6.7 Powerstroke. This is a true one-owner truck. It is in awesome shape. It has some awesome upgrades as well. If you guys want to see if you guys want to look at all the upgrades, make sure you guys head over to my website, deluxemotorsports.com. That's a place you'll be able to see all of the individual listed upgrades that has been done to this truck. You'll be able to see a decent amount of them in the videos. Again, another gorgeous rust-free frame. Fox reservoirs up front, Nitto tires. You got some pitting on the fuel octane wheels. Pretty typical for these aftermarket wheels after... Bro, chrome wheels, man, you get pitting after a year, I swear. It's like 12-month warranty, 13th month, you got pitting. Anyway, they clean up nice. They still look really good. So we've left them alone. Rear Fox reservoirs, B&W hitch. This truck, again, is in gorgeous shape. It is tuned and deleted. It's running factory exhaust tailpipe. It is a tuned and deleted truck, however. 4-inch exhaust. Factory FX4 package. I'll give you a shot of the undercarriage. Undercarriage is in good shape. On the body lines on the very bottom, you got some rock chips here and there on the gray part. A little bit of sun fading at the very top of the fender flares. But the rest of the body of the truck, like if you guys see, like, you know, down the body lines and stuff, it's a little dirty right now because of the car lot, but the body is still in really good shape. The paint shines up absolutely gorgeous when it's clean and washed. No major damage. You just got that sun fading on top of the fender flares. A little bit of discoloration in the headlights. Pretty consistent with the light bar discoloration. Overall, though, a gorgeous truck. 130K, I think, on a 13 Lariat, 6.7 Powerstroke, tuned deleted. Awesome upgrades, though. I believe this is a BDS kit, Fox suspension, so it's got the right stuff. WeatherTech mats, the leather's in really good shape. This is a sunroof truck. I fixed the sunroof in it. We installed new rails. These tend to go bad a lot. Tuner's dash mounted. We'll get you guys a little startup video, man. Get you guys a little startup. You can hear this thing purr. It's not overly loud, but she's loud. It's like it's the sleeper pipe, man. You guys don't laugh either. I'm starting to get gray in my beard. I'm working on almost being 50 years old. That's crazy. Let's see. No engine lights, no issues like that. We're a little bit low on fuel currently, but factory heated seats, cooled seats. Like I said, this is a fully loaded Lariat trim. This truck is priced to sell. It's a one owner, very well cared for. It's got a ton of the proper upgrades that this truck should have. It's just getting hard to find these in the country that are just in good shape, you know. It's a 13, and somebody took extremely good care of it, you know. Most of these trucks are beat up by now. They've been worked real hard. This one runs like a scolded dog. Again, it's been through the shop, as always. 140 standard, 140 point inspection standard on all of my trucks that come through the shop. This truck's got rear airbags. Anyway, it's got thousands and thousands of dollars in aftermarket upgrades, no question. We'll give you guys a shot of the passenger side. Again, you look down the body lines of this truck, the body lines are freaking near perfect. Minimal wear on the passenger seat. No rips or tears on any part of the interior. Dash is clean. This had an old pinstripe on it that we removed a lot of. They probably got to go back and do it a couple more times. Just an OEM pinstripe that was on there. This truck is now ready for sale. Again, you can find it right here. Deluxe Motorsports, the greater Charleston, South Carolina area. If you guys are interested in getting this truck shipped to you, we will ship it directly to your door. All 50 states, no question. We ship out for freaking awesome wholesale prices too. So if you guys have any questions about this truck or any of the other 50, 60 lifted trucks that we have in stock here at the shop, give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. Shoot us an email. Go to our website, deluxemotorsports.com. If you need more information, you have questions, drop a comment on the video. If you guys have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. Till next time, next video, the one and only Mr. Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Y'all take it easy. Peace.